Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Lyle and I practice obstetrics and gynecology. Today's topic is California. California is a state that's been blessed with amazing resources. And we're going to talk about what Gavin Newsom said in his plan on turning California into a sanctuary state. California not only has amazing natural resources and beauty, but they have some of the finest healthcare in the world. And they treat the preborn as patients. In Los Angeles and San Francisco, they have some of the most impressive and advanced fetal surgery divisions where there's lots of procedures and things that they can do to save the lives of the preborn in the womb and also to improve their quality of life for the rest of their lives. California can do spina bifida corrective surgery for babies that are on the inside of the womb. California can do blood transfusions to babies in the womb way before they can survive on the outside. So California treats the preborn as patients. California even has a patient's Bill of Rights, which includes 27 different subjects on which this right of the patient should not be denied. And the patient has all of these rights, and if it is a patient, we treat them as a person, and if they are a person, then they have rights. And these rights extend to California patients. But now Governor Gavin Newsom says he wants to turn California into a sanctuary state. What's the good news about that? Well, California is already making plans because they see that after the oral arguments before the Supreme Court regarding Roe versus Wade and Casey, California and a lot of other states really see that Roe versus Wade and Casey are probably going to be overturned by the Supreme Court, which would be great. But now California is trying to put a fence around themselves. They're trying to dig a moat so that they can still provide abortions for women. Couple things. California is saying they want to be a sanctuary state so that people who live in other states outside of California not only can come there and get an abortion, but California is even talking about providing the transportation, even providing the hotel room while they are there getting their abortion in the state of California. Interesting also about California is that they do not require parental consent. They don't even require parental notification to get an abortion. So now in California, if your child wants to go on a field trip, you have to sign a consent for them to go to the zoo or some sort of a field trip. But if they want to get an abortion, they don't have to ask your permission, and they don't even have to tell you that your child has had an abortion. Now you're going to have kids from other states going to California, and again, they don't have to get parental permission, and they don't even have to let the parents know. That is wrong. If we are treating the patients in the womb as patients, giving them blood transfusions and doing surgery, then they are a patient and they should be included in those 27 different rights that California has listed in their patient Bill of Rights. California, Governor Gavin Newsom said that we're going to do this because we have almost $32 billion in budget surplus. So instead of taking care of the 160,000 homeless people in the state of California alone, that is almost $200,000 per homeless person included in this budget surplus where they could help resolve this problem that, for the most part, California has created on themselves. When it comes to protecting the preborn, that is what our role is. A sanctuary. Let's talk about a sanctuary state. What is a sanctuary? A sanctuary is a place of safety. Yes, moms should be able to go to a place of safety. Dad should have a place of safety. When a mom is pregnant and she comes into California, there are actually two patients that are coming into California. And if you are going to abort one of those and the state is going to cover it and you don't even have to tell your mom, don't have to tell your dad, and you don't have to ask permission, that is not safety. They treat the preborn as patients up in San Francisco and down in Los Angeles. So the patients that they treat in the womb are not given what they have as patient's Bill of Rights. We're created in the image of God, and it is the image of God that is in the womb. And an attack against that image of God is an attack against God. When you don't like God, you want to attack that image of God. So if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me through my website, which is prolifedoc.org. And remember, a patient is a person, no matter how small. God bless you all and have a great day.